Good day. In this video, we are going to learn how to determine the order of a matrix, hence identify certain elements in a matrix. What is a matrix? Matrix is a group of numbers arranged in rows and columns to form a rectangular or a square array that can be used to solve mathematical problems. Types of matrix. This is a row matrix. A row matrix has only one row. This is a column matrix. A column matrix has only one column. These are square matrix. A square matrix has the same number of rows and columns. And these are rectangular matrix. A rectangular matrix has different numbers of rows and columns. How to determine the order of matrix? Order of matrix can be determined by counting the number of rows followed by the number of columns of the matrix. For example, this matrix has two rows, row 1 and row 2. It has three columns, columns 1, columns 2, and columns 3. Therefore, it is a matrix with order 2 times 3 and can be read as matrix 2 by 3. For this matrix, there are 4 rows, row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. 3 columns, columns 1, columns 2, and columns 3. Therefore, it is a matrix with order 4 times 3 and can be read as matrix 4 by 3. Matrix with m rows and n columns has the order m times n and is read as matrix m by n. Next, we can identify certain elements in a matrix. For this matrix, capital letters is used to denote a matrix. Every number in the matrix is known as an element of the matrix. In general, the position of each element at the I row and j column in matrix A can be represented as Aij, the I row and the j column. For examples, the element at the second row and third column for the matrix A is 9. The element at the second row and third column can be represented as A23. A23 equals to 9. The element at the first row and second column is 13, represented as A12. A12 equals to 13. Let's see the matrix P. Determine the order of the matrix P. For matrix P, it has 3 rows and 4 columns, row 1, row 2, and row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4. Therefore, the order of matrix P is 3 times 4, or read as matrix 3 by 4. For B, determine the elements of the matrix P. The elements at the first row and third column is 6. P13 equals to 6. The element at the second row and fourth column is 7. P24 is equals to 7. The element at the third row and third column is 11. P33 equals to 11. In this video, we learn about the order of matrix and how to identify certain elements in a matrix. Thanks for watching and see you next time.